Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your Margex account. If you want to delete your Margex account, first of all, launch open the Margex application and log into your account. After you're inside the home page, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Once you get to the settings interface, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see the delete account button highlighted in red. To delete your account, go ahead and tap delete account. And on the next page, if you are sure you want to delete your account, click on the delete my account button. Remember that once your account is deleted, you won't be able to recover any data associated with it, that is, transaction history, funds, etc. Ensure that you withdraw any remaining funds before you request account deletion. Margex may not be able to help recover funds after the deletion. After you make sure that you have cleared out any outstanding balance on your account, you can delete your account by tapping the Delete My Account button. Select why you are trying to get rid of your account from the options displayed on the screen. You can also go through a few articles that may help you solve your problem instead of deleting your account, or you can also contact the support team by tapping on Get in Touch with Support button. If you want to skip to account deletion, you can also click on the skip button at the top right, which will take you to this page from where you can completely delete your account. Next, tap on delete account one more time and you will be able to delete your Margex account. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.